Happy Thursday. I hope you guys checked out the daily announcements for every teacher to see what those throwback pictures are looking like. See Mr. Smith in his younger days as well as Miss Simmons. I think both of them have been showing some throwback pictures of themselves. So be on the lookout for that. Also, don't forget there is some important information in those daily announcements, so make sure you're reading to get also up-to-date information on the homeroom challenge and what we're looking for in Kipster of the Week. And don't forget to check your Gmail account because you want to see if you're getting those grade points for turning in high quality work. Today we are going to review, and I know you guys have done this already with Mr. Smith, so we're going to review how to solve multi-digit multiplication problems using area models. So we've multiplied by single digits, we've multiplied by two-digit numbers using the algorithm. We've also multiplied using visuals in our word problems. Today we're going to go ahead and use area models to multiply larger numbers. So it should be a review. It shouldn't be something that's totally new to you, so you should be able to get through this assignment okay. First, we want to start out with our introduction questions. This is just a review from yesterday, sort of like our Please Do Now. So we have 1 and 2. I want you to remember your strategies. So when we see these numbers in, this is a multiple of 1,000 versus 100 or a 10, which is what we did yesterday. When you see a lot of these zeros, I want you to remember that you can simply look at the first digit here as well as this digit, multiply those two digits, come up with your answer, and then add your zeros at the end. So I know 6 times 3 is 18. I'm simply going to write 18 on my line here, and then I see 3 zeros that I need to add behind this 8. So that's 1, 2, 3. I'm going to remember to add my comma, going 3 in, 1, 2, 3, and my answer is 18,000. So remember, you can't just do 6 times 3. You actually have to remember to add those zeros to represent those thousands. Let's come on over to number 2. We have 23 times 7. So you do actually have to solve the problem using the algorithm this way because it's not a simple single digit times a single digit. But that's fine. You're okay. We know how to do this. Let's go ahead and work it out. 7 times 3 is 21. My 1 comes there. Regrouping my 2 tens. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 2 gives you 16. I can simply write that 16. I don't have to regroup. So I have 161 as my answer for 23 times 7. I have 1 0 to add. And I'm not going to forget my comma, so I'm going to count 3 in. 1, 2, 3. Add my comma. My answer for 23 times 70 is 1,610. I'll meet you in the guided practice as we review area model with multiplication.